So I'm coming back with a pole thing. Want something extended all the way. Come on. There. Is that it? Okay. Let's see if this thing is tall enough. Of course, you hear my dad still shooting? Let me open. What? I don't know. It's supposed to go off automatically, but I got this. See one over there. We could try. You see this? Just fell apart. Okay.
Just can't get this thing to keep going. I told you it's not going to reach.
Okay, I'll hold this and you try to do it. Was there anything we can throw up there?
Throwing snowballs isn't doing anything. I'm getting in there, just I got to keep loading the gun.
I think it will really fall down. It's that big.
Huh?
I think it's really going to fall down when it's that big.
I don't know, if you shoot it up enough, it should.
That's going to use my whole container. Try it. Try it.
I need my long ladder.
Where's that?
In the garage.
You want to go get it?